Hello everyone, in this video we'll create a Twitter app for our website to allow users to use their social account to sign up and sign in. So a quick news is that as July 2018, we must apply for Twitter developer account and be approved before we may create new apps. So once approved, we will be able to create new apps from developer.twitter.com, right? So first go to developer.twitter.com and click for apply. So next you click for apply for developer accounts. So the approval may take some time, maybe several weeks. So sorry for any inconvenience. And you can apply for Twitter developer account, or you could use my API key and continue learning on the next lesson. The key I did wrote in the section 1 and lecture 2, right? And so for those who has applied for developer account successfully, you can follow me to create a Twitter app. It's very easy, right? So first, sign in first. And you sign in. And then you go to apps. Okay, click create new apps, and here you fill the form. The first app name, Instagram, and describe something, just demo app, right? And website URL, this could be anything, stronglong.com, just my name. And click enable sign in with Twitter, and notice that on the callback URL you should write something like this: http 127.0.0.1 port is 3000 of Twitter callback, right? And I want you to Control Alt, Control C, copy it, add another, paste in here, and replace this with localhost. Alright, so this will be our callback URL. So below on term, you say something like this. Well, this is just a pretty random, pretty dummy URL. It doesn't have any meaning at all. Alright, so just a demo app. So notice that this is minimum 100 characters. I copy it and paste it, yeah, okay, and hit create. Oh, I already have it, depot. Alright, hit create. Alright, so we did create our apps. Alright, let's have a quick look. Go back URL. Alright. So now next you'll go to permissions and click on edit, and you have to click on this checkbox, request email address from user. Okay, right, so let's go to key and tokens. Oh, I haven't clicked on save yet. Yeah, click save. Alright, remember to click save, right? And the last thing I want to show you is click on keys and tokens. So notice on these two lines, API key and API secret. We'll use these two API in the next video, so remember this. Alright, so that's it for this video. Should be easy, right guys? So see you next time.